Well, here's something you don't expect to be worth money. It's a garlic roaster. They want $8 for it, and it'll sell in a couple of days for 30. So I'm gonna grab that. So, camera. It's an older Olympus Camedia. These things are not worth anything, unfortunately. That's some interesting stuff at this place. Just look this guy up, Department 56, No Village, Best Friends. They want $6 for it, but not huge profit, but there's like 5 listed and 20 have sold. They're selling for around 25. A little bit of profit quick. If I can get it listed today, it'd be good. So I've sold Eagle Creek bags before. They sell pretty well. You know, some of them, depending on the model, may take a little bit longer to sell than others. But this is the Load Warrior LT25. Last one that sold for $129. Unfortunately, they want $20 for this. I still think it might be worth it. And they also have 2 of them, and they're both in really good condition. So I'm going to spend $40 on those 2 bags in hopes of making a profit of $150-ish, maybe. I don't know, it's early, my math's not good. I'll double check everything, but they look really good. Well, just to recap, look through goods, and so far I've got a garlic roaster, some people from Department 56, and 2 duffel bags. Quite an interesting collection, but let's go check out the clothing area. So here's something I would normally buy. It's a Rain Spooner shirt, but it's got the Florida Gators on it. Any of these Team Rain Spooner shirts sell really well. Fortunately, this one's got a hole in it. So this has been kind of an unusual stop for me. I haven't found any clothing, like none whatsoever, not a single golf polo. Probably something you guys aren't used to, but I'm gonna grab these few things. Might make one more lap around real quick. If I don't find anything, see you at the next spot. All right, got a few things. Got a Grayson polo. Not sure of that logo. They only want $6.99 for it, I believe. And then this one, not something I would normally pick up, but yellow is half price, so can't beat a Bay Hill shirt for $3.50. Also, they've got this pair of Harley Davidson boots here. What's your guess at how much those are? Yeah, $40. Ouch. These are pretty cool though. Check out these golf shoes. Could you imagine getting kicked with those? That's kind of crazy. I'm going to look those up though. They want $17. So they're Johnston and Murphy Aristocrat golf shoes. That pair sold for $79. There's several listed though. Check out what people are asking for them. $400, $99, $69, $265, $199. That's real close to the pair I had. And this one's even closer as far as conditioning goes, $32. So not worth $17, I don't think. Right next to the golf bag, they've got a bunch of these Department 56 houses. They want $15 and $20 a piece. I've looked up, I think, 4 of them. And each one I looked up, that's actually what they're going for on eBay if they sell it all. So I'm not going to spend my time and look up every single one. Might be missing out on something, but I'm going to pass. Also didn't find anything else in hard goods. And they're not restocking, so might move on to the next Goodwill. Probably not worth a whole lot, but this might be the coolest shirt that I'll find all day. Look at Taz playing golf. He kind of acts like I do. $6.99. Can't leave that behind. All right, this is crazy. Here's another one. Taz playing golf, size large, new with tags. That's old too. That's awesome. All right, so I don't normally buy these old Masters Amen corner shirts, but this one's in pretty good condition. And they only want $4.19, and the color of the week is yellow, so it's only going to be $2 and something. Can't leave it for that. I haven't found a decent long sleeve shirt since I've been here. Here's a polo, $9. I think it's because people are buying them to wear, so they're picked over. Of course, if you're going to wear something, you're going to pick out the best one. So Doesn't leave me much to choose from. So yeah, people buy long sleeve stuff in the wintertime. It's the lesson there, I guess. I don't know.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
If you're wondering about shoe prices, here's a beat up pair of Hokos, and they want 35 bucks. Ouch. All right, moving over to the electronics section. Pricing: DVD player, $25. Onkyo tuner amplifier, 30. That's an older one, not worth it. Sony, they want 100 for it. Sony, they want 50 for it. Yeah, it might be hard pressed to find stuff. These things right here sell super quick. I think they sell for like 25 or 30, so not worth it for 11. But if you find those cheap enough, they're good. They're like noise machines to help you sleep. Dom is the name. Thought I had something here. This multi-scanner. They sell on eBay for like 80 bucks. No price on it anywhere. I opened it up and they want 50 for it. Thought maybe since I've had good luck finding bags today, I'd find something in the bag section. Spotted the Harley Davidson here. Bam, 30 bucks. To be honest with you, I've done better here than I expected. I've actually been to this place before. I knew their prices were insane. Last time my wife and I were here, they wanted like $70 for a jacket. So I've come away with a few polo shirts, especially the Taz ones. They're really cool. I'm gonna go to the next spot. So looking around here, it looks like this place has like more new stuff, these things, than they do donated stuff. I mean, half of that looks new. All of this is like brand new stuff. Kind of strange. So I walked back to this back room, and once again, everything back here is basically brand new, except golf clubs. And I found this set of Titleist 990 DCIs. They sell for around 100. So golf clubs here are $3. So 3 times 8 would be 24 into 100. But I'm missing the 7 and the 8. So I've been looking through here. See if I can find the 7 and the 8. If not, it's probably not worth it. So I just spent about 10 minutes looking through those golf clubs, trying to find the 7 and 8 iron. Ended up finding the 8 iron, but not the 7. While I was searching, found some decent stuff. Got a Tommy Armour 845 Silver Scott. Usually don't buy these, but that's the 1 iron. That's pretty rare. Got the little PSP Golf Training Club. I actually found one of those with my buddy Rhett when I was out in Texas. I think they sell for like 40, 45. Cobra Baffler 23 degree. Callaway X18 7 iron. This is a $50 club here. Ping Zing 2 1 iron. That one's pretty rare. Callaway X22 Approach Edge. That one's actually in decent condition. All these clubs are only $3. And a Ping G15 9 iron. That one's a little rough, but it'll still sell. Also, as I was looking through clubs, I was kind of going cross-eyed. So I'm going to go back again and look for that 7 iron. I'm going to take a break though and look at the clothes real quick. I could be wrong, and I often am, but I would have sworn last time I was here, they had a color system where the color of the tag, like they had green 50% off, but now it looks like all the polo shirts are $4.98, $6.98, anything decent, $6.98. I'm going to get this guy though, Masters Tech. It's in perfect condition. They want $7 for it. It only sells for 20, but they sell pretty quick, so I'm going to get that. Haven't really been paying much attention to t-shirts because they want $5 a piece. I stumbled on this one, $5, Mickey embroidery, made in the USA. Probably only a $15 or $20 shirt, but it's too cool to pass up. Not seeing anything else in the clothing. I'm gonna go back in the golf club section and look one more time for that 7 iron. Hopefully they got it. Unfortunately, no 7 iron. Did get 2 more clubs though. Bazooka J Max Ironwood Sand Wedge, left-handed. Haven't seen one of those in forever. And then the Callaway X14 Steelhead. It's a 4 iron. So that's gonna take a little while to sell, but 20, 30 bucks. If you guys want to get me something for Valentine's Day coming up, I do like bouquets. Bouquets of golf clubs. I think $46 spent at the Goodwill. Honestly, the Ping Zing 1 iron should take care of everything. The rest will be profit. So not a bad stop. Might be the best one yet. So they just opened up, but they happened to roll a rack out of new stuff and found some few things. First up, all clad panini press. Got the press and the pan and everything. Decent condition. They want $9 for it. It looks like it sells for 40 or 50. Just the little press itself sells by itself for 30, so that's pretty good. And then this guy, the Le Creuset, $8 on the griddle. Looks like it sells for around 50. Sell-through rate on this one's not great, but honestly, it looks like it's never been used. It's just a little dusty. They might have even had it hanging on a wall or something. Pretty cool. So I just walked into this Goodwill and they had a rack of stuff that they were about to put out. I grabbed a bunch. Roan, Polo, Proper Cloth. I have to look that up. Roan sells pretty well. And then this brand I've never heard of, Collars & Co. Great sell-through rate. These polos sell for like 28 used. Got a few of those. Peter Featherweight. Roan. I still gotta look these shoes up. PXG hat, brand new. Rider cut. These I did look up. Looks like they're selling for like 80. I'll have to pay 16 for them, but it's worth it. Still gotta look up the Vapor Max. They're only 15. And then these Brooks Adrenaline GTS 23s. They're only 10. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be worth it. I just keep finding stuff here. I can't leave. Kids, but Polo Ralph Lauren and it's new tags. Looks like they're selling for like 38. I just brought out a single TaylorMade 2.0 burner, $7. I should sell for 30 or 40. It's a 4-iron. Might take a little while, but so yeah, saw these guys, $80, Nike Vapor Max. Unfortunately though, they got sent back to me because they didn't pass the eBay authenticity guarantee thing. And they also just send you a card when they send them back and tell you some reasons that they may not have passed. They don't specifically tell you why they didn't pass the authenticity thing. So I don't know, may end up listing these on a different platform. May just hold on to them as a reminder to be more careful, or, run them through the check app or something like that. I don't know, but I still think it was a pretty successful trip. Had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.